And Sawyer, bus driver for Prince William County Schools, that drives our bus. Thank you, Ann. The Antique Automobile Club of America. Pete Pandolfi. The Bull Run region of Antique Automobile Clubs of America, headquartered in Manassas. There are members from all over Northern Virginia, the District of Columbia, and Maryland. Bull Run region of Antique Automobile. There's every type of automobile. Are you the Viking motorcycle man? Oh, Manassas Honda, that's right. I wrote pencil that in. Manassas Honda motorcycle. All of the motorcycles, Manassas Honda motorcycles.